Looking for a fun and interactive way to get your kids involved in the kitchen? These homemade peanut butter and jelly sushi rolls are the perfect solution. They're easy to make, delicious, and a fantastic hands-on activity for children. Here's how to make them. Ingredients: 4 slices of bread, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of jelly, a rolling pin, a sharp knife. Adult supervision required. Instructions: 1. Start by flattening the bread slices with a rolling pin. Make sure they are thin enough to roll easily but not too thin that they break apart. 2. Spread an even layer of peanut butter onto each flattened slice of bread. 3. Next, spread a layer of jelly on top of the peanut butter. Be careful not to overdo it so the rolls don't get too messy. 4. Carefully roll each slice of bread into a tight log. Ensure that the peanut butter and jelly are well contained inside. 5. Using a sharp knife, cut each log into 1-inch pieces. Make sure to do this step with adult supervision to ensure safety. 6. Arrange your PB&J Sushi Rolls on a plate and serve. These sushi rolls are not only a fun twist on the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but also an excellent way to introduce kids to the joys of cooking. Enjoy making and eating them together.